A high stakes terror investigation, and Delhi police have now pieced together key details. Here are 5 things we know so far about the car that exploded near Red Fort. The Hyundai i20 entered Delhi on Monday morning around 8:13 am, crossing the Badarpur toll booth via Faridabad Road. Within just 10 hours, it would become the vehicle at the center of an explosion near Red Fort. Police have scanned over 100 CCTV cameras to trace its movement through the day. Investigators have zeroed in on a 34-year-old resident of Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir, as the last known owner of the car. Records show he purchased the Hyundai i20 on October 29, just days before the blast. Police are verifying evidence before revealing his identity to the public. After entering Delhi, the car was last caught on camera at a petrol pump near Modi Mill in Okhla at 8:20 am. Later, around 3:19 pm, it was seen entering a parking lot near Red Fort, and at 6:48 pm, it was seen leaving that same lot. Minutes later, the blast occurred at 6:52 pm near gate number 1 of the Red Fort metro station. The car's registration traced back to Gurgaon resident who told police he had already sold it. Investigators believe the vehicle changed hands multiple times, making it harder to track who was driving it on Monday. Now police are piecing together that entire paper trail. According to Delhi police, 2 to 3 people may have been inside the vehicle when the explosion occurred. However, CCTV footage accessed by the Indian Express shows only one person. Investigators are examining body parts recovered from the car, trying to determine who was inside and whether anyone escaped. The case has now been registered under the UAPA Explosives Act and BNS. Teams from the NSG, Delhi Police and FSL are working round the clock to uncover the truth. As the investigation deepens, the big question remains, was this a lone wolf act or part of a larger network? And here is what Home Minister Amit Shah has said.
करीब 7 बजे दिल्ली में लाल किले के पास सुभाष मार्ग ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर i20 हुंडई गाड़ी में एक ब्लास्ट हुआ है। ब्लास्ट के कारण आसपास की कुछ गाड़ियां और कुछ मार्ग पर जा रहे लोग भी इंजर्ड होने के समाचार हैं। प्राथमिक सूचना जो मिली है उसमें कुछ लोग हताहत भी हुए हैं। ब्लास्ट की सूचना आते ही 10 मिनट में दिल्ली क्राइम ब्रांच, दिल्ली स्पेशल ब्रांच की टीमें स्पॉट पर पहुंची है। एनएसजी और एनआईए की टीम एफएसएल के साथ अभी गहन जांच करने का शुरू किया है। आसपास के स्थान के सभी सीसीटीवी कैमरा और बाकी सब चीज़ों की जांच के आदेश दे दिए गए हैं। मेरी सीपी दिल्ली से भी बात हुई है, स्पेशल ब्रांच के इंचार्ज से भी बात हुई है। सीपी दिल्ली और स्पेशल ब्रांच के इंचार्ज स्पॉट पर मौजूद हैं। हम सभी संभावनाओं को तराश रहे हैं और सभी संभावनाओं को ध्यान में रखकर इसकी गहन जांच की जाएगी। सभी ऑप्शन की तुरंत जांच होकर नतीजा जो आएगा, जांच हम जनता के सामने रखेंगे।